years of growth, partnership, and excellence. From the beginning, RDL was built not just on vision and perseverance, but on the belief that strong, meaningful relationships are the backbone of any lasting success. And tonight, we honor the relationship, your trust, your support, and your belief in RDL. What started as a small company founded by our President and CEO, Leonora Dili, has grown into a respected industry name because we had partners like you who stood by us through challenges, breakthroughs, and milestones. You were not just service or providers, suppliers, or collaborators. You were to continue to be our co-builders, helping shape the future of RDL with integrity, excellence, and shared values. On behalf of our founder and CEO, Ms. Leonora Lim, and the entire management team, I extend our heartfelt gratitude. Your contributions have gone far beyond contracts and transactions. You have helped us create impact, innovate, and expand in ways we could have been done alone. As we step in the next chapter, we look forward to even deeper collaboration, new opportunities, and shared victories in the years ahead. Together, we are not just building a stronger RDL, we are shaping a legacy of excellence that will continue to grow for generations. To our valued partners, thank you for your trust, thank you for your partnerships, thank you for walking this journey with us for the last 30 years. Happy 30th anniversary to RDL and all of us who helped make it possible. May it be the start of many more celebrations to come. Cheers for 30 years of excellence and beyond.
Thank you very much, Sir Robert E. Lim. Thank you, sir, for that very inspiring words. Sir, your leadership has been a testament, siyempre, for the vision that we are surrounded with tonight, by the very partners who have helped make the past 30 years a reality.
And of course, the success of RDL isn't just a story of one company, but a story of collaboration.